We're gonna use a filo dough. This is very common. You can find all grocery stores at the frozen section. 1.5 cup finely chopped walnut. You can use other nuts too. That's okay. 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm gonna use pistachio for topping. Actually, pistachio is really good for the stuffing too, but today I'm gonna use walnut for the filling and pistachio for topping. Here is the finely chopped pistachio for the top. We need brush. I'm gonna use pizza cutter to cut the baklava, and I'm gonna use this cook and carry type the foil tray. This is 12 by 8 about pan. For the syrup, 1.5 cup sugar and 3/4 cups of water, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and we need 2 small pots. For the one of them is for butter, melting the butter. You can melt in the microwave, and other one is for the syrup. The best way to do baklava is to start with the syrup. First we're gonna make syrup. We're gonna let it cool down when we are preparing the baklava. Let's start. In medium heat, we're gonna stir until it boils. You can make syrup in advance, and later you can assemble the baklava. Actually, it's better to make in advance and let it cool down. When it starts to bubble at the sides, you can stop stirring, and at this point we can add lemon juice. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and stir. After this point, we are not gonna stir anymore. Once syrup starts to boil, also color change. It was translucent, now it is very clear. This point we're gonna lower the heat very low. Okay, and then we're gonna let it simmer. It's get ready about 2-3 minutes. If you wanna check with the candy thermometer, it's about 190 Fahrenheit. Syrup is ready. I put aside, and I'm gonna let it cool down at the room temperature. Meantime, I'm gonna prepare baklava. Okay, now I'm gonna melt the butter. This is unsalted butter. We are using 2 sticks in very low the heat. We don't wanna burn the butter. Butter is ready, melted. I'm gonna use clarify butter. I'm gonna pick up the white milk solids which come to the top, and I'm gonna take with a spoon and skim out these milk solids. Thaw your filo dough according to package instructions. You can just put in your refrigerator a night before and just take it out 1 hour before you want to make your baklava, and leave it at room temperature at least 1 hour. Okay, we are gonna first fold into, and now we are gonna cut the filo dough to the size of our pan. So butter is ready. Just I'm gonna remove this. Okay. First we're gonna butter bottom of the pan. Okay, we are cutting the excess part. Okay, we're gonna continue until we come to the halfway. We're gonna finish the butter, so just use generously. Okay, now we are in the halfway. This part is hanging. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Here I put up already butter. See, like this. And then butter this part again, this layer. And I'm gonna sprinkle the nut. Okay, just smooth it out. It's good. Again, butter. Okay, this way, this side is cleaner. See, it's keep the nut inside. Okay, we're gonna continue same way. Now we're gonna cut it. I use pizza cutter, it's easier with the pizza cutter. Cut in half and then cut that part again in half. Turn. Again, cut in half. In 3 pieces, so approximately try to make it equal. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut each square diagonally from one side to the other. The meantime, oven is getting ready. It should be ready actually now. We are gonna bake at 375. So I'm gonna add some more butter. I have a little bit more butter left. So this way every piece gets a lot of butter. I want the top brown, golden brown. Okay, now I'm gonna clean the sides. I don't want the sides to burn. See, it looks really nice. Now we're gonna bake at the preheated oven, 375. I'm gonna put in the middle rack and in the middle of the middle rack. Okay. Baklava is ready. It's nice and golden brown, and it took 40 minutes. This depending on your oven and also the pan that you use. Now, baklava is hot and syrup is at the room temperature. So you're gonna pour over the baklava and you will hear this noise. Before serving, just you need to check it needs to soak all the syrup, but the best way is just keep it overnight. Now I'm gonna decorate with pistachio. You can use any nuts. So baklava is ready. It looks beautiful and delicious. Now I'm gonna cover it. The reason I choose this pan, you can make it and cover it, and you can take the potluck parties as it is to your friend's house, or you can even give as a present, especially at the holiday time.